All right, we're on our boat trip. This is Lake Otesaga, and we're just enjoying our day here. That's where we're staying.
The land is in a
Rylan's watching Maxwell.
And it can never be sold.
Jay went down and got some drinks,
it is so
but forgot me his pineapple juice.
And what makes it
Maxwell's
such a
just chilling out. That's what he's doing on the boat.
There are 3 public beaches on
He's
the
enjoying
lake.
himself.
Fairy Springs.
He's taking a couple short naps.
Coming up on the right.
But that's pretty much it.
Dinnergrass State Park.
It's a beautiful, beautiful place, as you can see.
In 1963,
absolutely gorgeous and a gorgeous day.
On the west side, 3 Mile Point. The lake is glacier-made.
The lake's glacier-made.
She is 9 miles long, 1.5 miles at the widest point, 168 feet deep. This is one of the deepest lakes